Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to log into your Venmo account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Venmo app in your device, and once you install it, open the app. Once you open that, you'll see this kind of interface. In this page, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this button. Once you have your account, click on the login button, and then it will ask you to enter your email, username or phone number. Now in this box, either enter your email, username or phone number. I'll just enter my email. Once you do so, tap on the next box and then enter your password. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Now once you have entered the login credentials correctly, tap on this submit button and then you'll be logged into your account. If you have turned on 2FA or two-factor authentication, then it will ask you to enter some code, and once you provide that code, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.